Today in this video we can check how we can create a complete food ordering system like Zomato or Swiggy. In this video we are going to discuss about a multi-vendor food ordering website. You can see there are a lot of options are available. There are a lot of restaurants are available for the customers. They can choose from this list, and it's GPS enabled website, so the customer can see their nearest restaurant and they can purchase or they can order food from this website. And in this website we are also discussing about the food delivery management system and the app, and it's a long video. We already created this video and just combined all these three videos together, so you can watch and you can just create the website and the food ordering system like this with the help of this video. All the template and all the details of the source I will give in the description box below. You can just download it from there. Okay, once the customer order on this website, a message or a push notification will come to our mobile phone like this, so you can just manage the order from your mobile phone or from your computer. Okay, when an order comes, you can just go to your dashboard like this. Each and every restaurant get a dashboard like this. From there select the orders, and the restaurant manager can assign a delivery boy like this, their own delivery boy. They can just assign a delivery boy from the list of their restaurant and they can just submit. So when they assign a delivery boy, on the delivery boy's mobile phone, he will get a push notification like this. So he also have a app like this, Android app, so they can just enter into that app and they can just open the app and they can see the order details there, and the customer can just deliver that order to the particular customer as you are seeing in the video, and he can just complete the order, and the same time we will get an notification about the update of the order. We will get on our system also. You can go to the restaurant manager app and we can see the update of the order like this. If we can just open that particular order, we can just see all the details of that order. And we also created a customer app like this. You can see this is the splash screen of the app, and it's a beautiful Android app like this. You can also create the iOS app also, but in this video we are discussing about the Android app. You can see a lot of options are available on this Android app like this. The customer can just purchase or order food from our app like this. They can see which restaurant is selling which food. All these things you can see, and it's also GPS enabled app, and they can see all the details of the restaurants like this, and search option is available, category option is available. If you search for a particular food item, they can see that food item here, and category option is available, and all these things we can just add on this app and watch that video till the end, and you can just create like this a food ordering system, and you can also start a food ordering website like this. If a customer purchase from this, add to cart, and after they can register the details, they can just click on the checkout option, and there is a credit card or debit card option is available, so they can just pay and they can just complete the order. So now we can go to the video and we can check how to create this website and all this system. Hi friends, in this video we are creating a multi-vendor food ordering system like Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, etc. with GPS enabled and fully functional website. In this section we are also discussing about the delivery app and app for a restaurant owners for managing their store easily, and it is totally free. The app is totally free, and the best thing is it's completely built in WordPress and it is GPS friendly. See, and it is very beautifully designed, and it has a lot of functions, and you can add tags, categories, etc. for your restaurant. A person can contact other store owners, restaurant owners, and they can add to cart the product, and they can check out, and you can also put various options over there for the cash payment system. Actually this is a demo set, so I'm putting only cash on delivery. And you will get a restaurant manager app and a delivery app for free. So watch the video till the end. In order to do this, first you have to buy a domain and hosting. This domain and hosting I am buying from hostinger.in, and check whether your domain name is available or not, and click on search. And if your domain is available, click on add to cart, and we cart and check out. We have to buy a hosting also, so select your hosting and choose your plan, and click on add to cart. And here you can adjust the time length. Once you finish that, click on checkout now, and you can log in with your social media network account, Google, Facebook, etc. Once you log in, you can pay with these payment methods: UPI, Paytm, PayPal, etc. Once you have finished the payment method, you can go to your control panel. Okay, once you enter the control panel, then your control panel will be look like this. And we have to install WordPress, and just scroll down and select this auto installer option. Select the auto installer option and click on WordPress and type the username, password, etc., admin email address, etc. Your website name, and everything you can be added here, and click on install. And wait for some time to get installed. Your website is installed. Just click on that button. Now you can see your website is live, and this is a default WordPress website. And now we can customize everything from the WordPress dashboard itself. Just enter into your WordPress dashboard. Just typing wp-login.php, and you can enter your dashboard. Once you enter into your dashboard, you will see a theme option. Click on upload theme. Just choose the theme. The link I will give in the description box. Just install that theme and click on activate, and wait for some time to activate. And you have to install these plugins. Just click on begin installing plugins and select all the plugins and select install and click on apply, and wait for some time to get install the plugin. And once the plugin is installed, just activate all the plugins. And all our plugins has been activated, and our website is looking like this now. And we have to install the demo content. In order to do this, click on appearance, click on theme setup, and click on start and click on install child theme. You have to install that. Click on install and wait for the installation, and you have to import the demo content. There are various demos are available. You can choose one demo and click on import and wait for some time to get importing the demo. Once you finish that, we can check our website. Click on view our website. See, all the demos has been successfully imported and everything works fine. All banners, products has been imported, and all the images has been also imported. And now go to the WooCommerce settings and select your country where your product is selling. Just select the country and select the specific country and choose the country over here. And you can disable and enable the shipping and shipping calculations, and choose your currency and click on save changes. Once you finish that, go to your payment settings and turn on the cash on delivery option and click on save changes. And remaining all other settings you can be changed. I'm leaving as it is because it's a demo site. You can change according to your choice, and click on advanced and check all the settings has been correct or not. By default everything is okay. You can be changed according to your choice. Now click on permalinks and select the permalink and select this post name, and product permalinks also can be changed here. Select the default permalinks for the products and click on save changes. and just refresh and check the permalinks. Just refresh and see our permalinks has been changed and it is default WordPress permalink. Now go to your plugin settings and type WCFM and install and activate all the 3 plugins, which is Frontend Manager, Marketplace and WCFM membership. Install and activate all these 3 plugins and just activate the plugins on the plugin settings. In order to do this, just go to the plugins, again install plugins and select on inactive and select all the plugins and just click on activate and click on apply. Once the plugins are activated, you can go to your WCFM plugin settings and you can change all the settings as you are seeing the video, and you can also change according to your choice. All the settings you can be changed according to your choice. And WCFM, after that click on save and geolocation. By default OpenStreetMap is available, so you can enable and disable all the options. Enable auto filter means the GPS enabled shop will be shown there, and default map, default location, and click on save changes after everything works. Click on order settings and you can disable and enable everything. Commission setups, if a product sale, a commission will come to our account, and select that also. Once you finished everything, just click on save and you can change all withdrawal settings, payment settings, shipping settings, refund settings, review settings, dashboard style, you can change the colors, etc. Notifications, and store opening hours, and everything you can be changed here. And to add a vendor or a restaurant, just click on add store vendor and type a username and email for the restaurants. And you can type their email address over there, so the password, the login username and password will be sent to their registered email address. You can add a store name, restaurant name you can be added, and you can add a store logo, banner, etc. just add a logo and a banner for the restaurant owners, and you can also add a banner, mobile banner. Just selecting a banner for the website, just select, and you can give the short description, store list banner, and all other settings can be changed here for the restaurants. The store location, store address, country, etc. Just type the state or country, and you can find the location of your restaurant over here and choose the right place, and just drag and drop the icon or to the right place. So the customers can find our store easily. And all other settings you can be changed, and click on submit or save. Once you finish that, you can add as much customer store owners there. And now we can design our website. Just click on edit with WP Bakery. You can change all the designs and patterns over here. Just click on that. Any layout you have to change, just click on there and select the category and click on save changes. Like this you can change all the categories. Change all the categories according to your choice, and after finishing that, click on save changes and click on update. You can change the banners also here. Please make sure that all the sizes are correct for the replacing image. Just upload the new images over there and click on select and set image for the new banner and click on save changes. Like this you can change all the banners over here. And you can change all the countdown timer and all other options here. You can add title, subtitle, etc. Once you finish that, you can refresh and your site has been fully changed to the new theme. And we can change the logo here on customize. Click on that customize option, and here you can change your header, footer, etc. Click on header configuration and you can upload the logo over here. Make sure the logo size is correct as on the demo. Just select the demo over there and click on select and change all the settings according to your choice. Type a name for your website, a tagline for the website, once you finish that, you can also add an image for the site title. Just upload any image and click on select, just cropping the image, and click on publish. Once you finish that, you can add new posters. You can edit all the posters on the post section. Now come to the tbay footers and select the footer. To edit our WordPress website's footer over there, you can edit all the footer settings over here. You can change that to the custom font, image, etc. You can change the demo contents over here. Once you finish all the settings, make sure to save the changes. You can change the logo image, footer logo image, and I'm adding the previously added image over there, and click on save changes. You can change the footer credits. And click on save changes. Click on update. Now our footer layout has been changed, and you can check it now. Everything works fine. You can change everything on the footer section on the tbay footer. Now you can add testimonials, brands, etc, etc. And to add a new product, click on the product section, click on add new product. Just add a product. Just adding a product. You can add the price of the product, description, etc, etc. I'm just adding a variable product. Click on attributes and click on add, and type the name of the product, which is size, and click on the variations over here. And you select the use defer variation and select save attributes. Once you finish that, click on variations and create variation from all attributes, and click on go and click on OK. Now two variations which have been added has been came to here. Just add the product image, or you can leave for the default image, and you can add the regular price, sale price, etc. for each variations here. You can change the next variation here and click on save changes. And you can type a short description for the product. Just type any description for your product. And you can add a product image for the food. I'm just adding a image for our product and set product image. and select the category for the products. Click on add new category and type a category for the products. Once you finish that, add the product tags over here. And once you finish everything, just click on publish. Once the product is published, you can check the product. And you can check everything works. Yes, everything works fine. Price also working. And here ask a question means to the vendor, the customer can ask about the product. Now we can add a simple product. Just click on add new. And type a product name over here. Just type a product name and wait, the system is loading. And you can add the regular price over here. You can add sale price for the product, and you can schedule the sale price date. And select the category, tag, etc. as we did it for the variable product, and set product image also there. Just type a short description, anything you like, and set a product image for the product or the food. Just click on upload files and upload the product image. Once you finish that, just click on publish. Now our product has been published, and check the product you have added. Now go to the user section, and here you can change the user's password and all other details here. Just edit on there. If a user need to change the password and contact you, you can change by here. On the user section, you can change the user role also here, and click on generate password, and you can change your password according to your choice, and click on update user. Now the user information has been updated. Now here on the page section, you can create a new page for your website. You can add restaurant list. The spelling is incorrect. Just clear the spelling and type the short code. All the short code I will be insert in the description box below. you can add your short code here and click on publish. Like this you can change all other pages, and go to your menu settings and click on create a new menu, and you can add a new menu here, and you can display this menu, all these sections. Once you create a menu, just select the menu sections, just selecting few pages for the menu. Click on add to menu. Once you finish that, you can select where the menus has been shown. Just select the menus, and once you finish that, click on save menu. Now go to your website and just refresh, and all other menus, the settings has been changed, and menu is our new menu. Now we can change the menu label, navigation label here. Just change to your desired navigation label. Once you finish that, click on save changes, save menu, click on save menu, and you can refresh your website and see the textures has been changed. If you click on restaurant registration, the customer can add their website, add their restaurant on your website. Click on let's go. This is for the customers or the restaurant owners, and they can do what we have done on our WordPress backend, they can do on their front end website. They can add logo, their information on their front end, and click on select. They can add banners, etc. over here. And they can add the location of their restaurant and choose their position on the map, and they can add shop description, etc., and click on continue. And here they can add the policy, shop policies over here. Just click on continue. After that, they can add the support setup and click on continue. They can add SEO options, Facebook setup, Twitter setup, etc. Just click on continue. After that, they can add their social media accounts over here, and just click on continue. Once you finish, the restaurant owners see like this a menu on their WordPress dashboard, and they can add a new product over here. Just click on add new, and we have done this on our WordPress backend. The same thing the customer or restaurant owners can do here. Just click on finishing that, just click on submit, and their product has been published, and the customer can go to their sub settings, and there they can change all the settings here on the settings page, store our location, etc. Once you finish that, the customer can also add products from the store catalog which we have early added. They can select and add their product. Just click on that and bulk add to my store. Once you finish that, come to the product section, and they can edit all the products which they have bulk added, and click on edit, and they can change all the details and click on submit. Once the product has been published, they can change all other products like this. Now go to your pages and click on restaurant list. Now we can see lot of websites here, and we can order the products from there. If you enable the auto filter option, it will be GPS enabled and it will show only the restaurant near to the user, like Swiggy and Zomato, and select a product, and they can order their food. Once the customer order a product, a notification will come to the admin, and same notification will go to the restaurant owners so they can prepare the food for the delivery. So it's easy, and the delivery app and the vendor app video will be on the next section. So thank you for watching the video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box below. Hi friends, in this video we can check how to create a delivery boy app and a restaurant order management app for the restaurant owners. These two apps are connected with our WooCommerce food order system, which we did earlier on the previous video. These apps are already available on the Play Store, but before using the app we need to set up our website for start using the Android app. When a restaurant owner get an order, they can assign delivery boy on their dashboard. They can select a delivery boy from the option and submit. At the same time, the delivery boy's mobile, they will get a push notification on their mobile, and the restaurant owners app will be look like this. They can edit all the product, and they can update the product, they can add new product with this app. So it is easy to manage our food ordering system on their mobile. Okay, in order to do this, first go to your WordPress control panel and go to the file manager and open the htaccess file and copy and paste all these codes on there. The codes I will give below in the description box, you can use it from there. Just copy and paste all these codes as you are seeing on the video. And next open wp config and you can add two codes over here also. Just copy the code and paste it under the second last column and copy that code also and click on save. Okay, once you finish that, just close everything and come to our WordPress dashboard and add new plugin. And we need these three plugins: WC Marketplace, REST API. Just copy that and paste over here. Paste. Just install that plugin and click on activate. And the next plugin is JWT authentication. Just install that plugin. Just click on install now. JWT last updated 2 years ago, not a problem, it will work. Just install and activate that plugin. And we have to upload a premium add-on. The link I will give in the description box. You can download from there. WC Frontend Manager Delivery. Just upload that plugin also. Just install now. Just activate that plugin. Click on usage and click on edit and just scroll down. Now you can see a new role for the delivery person role. You can assign to a new user and click on update user. Once you finish that, just log in on your front end and come to your WordPress dashboard. You click on delivery boys and click on add new. Here a restaurant owner can add a delivery boy, their own delivery boy, and when they get an order, they can be assigned to a delivery boy. And click on submit. Now go to your Play Store and type WCFM and install these two apps. WCFM Store Manager and WCFM Delivery app. Install these two apps. And once you finish that, enter the URL and login password, and they can now use the app and they can edit the product. They can adjust the stock quantity. Okay, then they can be check orders, enquiry, reports, reviews, notification, and everything can be seen for the restaurant owners. Now we can order a product. Just click on add to cart. And just click on view cart. And type the billing information and place the order. At the same time, the restaurant owners will get like this a notification on their mobile phone, so they can prepare their order, and it is easy to use. Once they will get order, the restaurant owners will log into their mobile phone and the dashboard and click on their orders. And they can assign the delivery boy from their mobile phone. They can assign the delivery boy from their mobile phone. Okay, at the same time, they will also get like this. In the delivery boy app, they can use like this as you are seeing on this video. They can check cash on delivery and they can call the customer. Once they finish, they can click on complete and the order is completed and they will get a message like this. So the restaurant owners and the restaurant delivery boys can use the app with our WordPress food ordering system. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay friends, this is our Android app icon which is we are seeing on our mobile, and this is the splash screen of the app, and the app is looking very beautiful and the layout is very well designed and aligned, and the home page of the app is looking nice, and you can see there are a lot of products are available on the front page itself, and there is unlimited options are available and you can customize according to your choice. And on the product page you can see the sold by option is available and who is selling the item. The customer can see that also on their product page, and if they click on that, and the customer can purchase the product from their favorite store or the restaurant, and they can search their product and they can search any product and they can get the result very fast. And Customer can choose the categories and they can purchase like that. And we have the category images are also available, and the customer can choose the categories. And there is a cart option available, and there is an account option available, and the customer can log in or register from the app. And there is a WhatsApp option also available for chat. And if the customer adds a product, the directly it will show on the cart option, and customer can register their address and they can check out with cash on delivery or credit card, and they can place the order. Once they place the order, they will take it to the payment options, and it will take the payment gateway, and the customer can enter banking details, and they can check out the order. First thing we have to do is set up an Ionic environment for creating this app. In order to do this, first install Java. Just go to Java JDK and oracle.com and download the Java from the download section. You can download from the Java JDK option and choose this one, Java SE 8U241. You can download that. Click on JDK download, and once you click on that, you can see different options are available. Now we are using Windows, so choose the Windows option from this list. Just selecting Windows 64 or 86. You can choose yourself. Just choose the Windows 64 and just download the JDK. Just click on that and just download. Before downloading, there will be a pop-up come, and you have to enter your Oracle account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. I have already an account, so I will enter my username and password, and I can log in. Okay, once we have login, it will automatically download Java to our computer. And wait for some time to get download. Okay, once downloaded the Java JDK, I have already downloaded. Just install it on your computer. Just open and click on yes and click on next and wait for some time to get installed and click on next. You can change the directory also, but default is good for our Ionic environment, so click on next. Okay, click on next. Installed. Click on next. And now we are finished installing Java on our computer. Now you can close or you can click on next step. We have to just close the Java JDK option. It's already. Now we can create a path on our environmental variables. Just open your control panel, or you can search on your computer just environmental variables. Now just opening our control panel and just change the view and click on system and security and click on system, and you can see advanced system settings. Click on that and click on environmental variables. Click on that, and now we can create a path for the Java. Just click on the path option and just click on edit, and you can create a new path. Just click on new and click on browse and just show the path for the Java. Click on program files and you can open the Java folder and click on that JDK folder and select that binary folder and click on OK and click on OK. And user variable also you can be added, like we added path. Click on new and type on capital letter Java_home, and variable value should be shown on the program files and the Java folder. Select the JDK folder, not the binary one, just select only the JDK folder and click on OK. Click on OK, OK, OK. Okay, once we finish that, we have to install Android Studio. Actually, this is optional and we can do that also here. Just go to the developer.android.com and download Android Studio. Just once you download the Android Studio, just open the Android Studio and click on run and click on next. Click on next and click on next. Click on install and wait for some time to get installed the Android Studio on your computer. Okay, once you finish the Android Studio installation, click on next and click on finish and click on next and you can install standard or custom type and click on next. All this is optional, you can do according to your choice. Select one option and click on next and click on next. You can choose the Android Studio theme. Actually, I like the dark theme. If you want, you can choose the light theme. Click on next Click on next, next, and click on finish, and select the finish button, and now the downloading components, and wait for some time to get downloading components. And now just click on finish. Okay, once everything is finished, you can change this also on environmental variables. Just click on the environmental variables and select the path for the Android Studio. There is a system variable and user variable. Just first user variable, just type Android home, Android underscore home on the capital letter, and browse the directory and open your program files, and you can show the directory from this option. Click on app data. If there is actually the folder is hidden, you can view the hidden folders and folder files and folders, and select this SDK and click on OK. Just select OK. Okay, once you finish that, edit that also and click on OK. And you can copy the SDK path from the folder. You can copy the SDK path, use your name, and you can choose that also on the environmental variables. Click on OK. Just click on OK and click on OK. Okay, now we can install Node.js. Now go to the Node.js website, nodejs.org, and download for Windows your version. Just download the software, just install Node.js, click on run, click on next, and agree the terms and condition, and click on next, click on next, next, and select the option and click on install. Okay, once the install finish, just click on finish. Okay, now after that we can install VS Code. This is a code editor. Just download from the code visualstudio.com and choose your Windows and just install that also. Click on next and click on next. Click on next and select the options you need and click on next and click on install. Click on install. And now it's installed and click on finish. Okay, now our code editor is ready. Now we can install git. Now go to git.stm.com and download the git for Windows. Just select and download it. I already downloaded it. You can install now and click on next, and you can install like all other softwares. Just click on next and select the options you need and click on install. Okay, once you finish that, you can launch it and click on next. Now we can also install Gradle. This is also very important. Click on gradle.org/release and select the 6.4.1. This one, 641, this one. Just download the binary file and it will be automatically download to your computer. Just download that file. Once you download the file, extract the file to the your program files. Just extract the file to your program files, c/your program files, and as you can see I already extracted the file. Okay, once you finish that, just go to the environmental variables and select the path, and you can select the path for the Gradle also. Just type a variable name Gradle underscore home on the capital letter and choose the directory and click on OK, and you can copy like this, or you can also copy what we have done on Android Studio or Java JDK. You can do the same path like that. Click on OK. Okay friends, now we can install our Ionic Cordova, which is the very important thing on this app development. So just go to your command and just type this npm install -g version G Ionic Cordova and wait for some time to get installed on your computer. Actually already I have installed this, that's why these errors are coming. Otherwise you can do a fresh installation on your computer. Okay, once you finish that, we can check all the things we have done is correct or not. Check this code: version, npm version, node version, ionic version, Cordova version, and Gradle version, and one more thing is there, Java version. Okay, we can check the Java version also. Java C dot Java C version. Okay friends, once we created the Ionic environment, we can go to the WordPress dashboard and install a plugin. You will get this plugin along with the source code, and just upload and activate the plugin. Go to your plugin settings and click on add new and click on upload plugin, and you can choose the plugin file from your computer. Just uploading that file and click on install now. Okay, once the plugin is installed, just activate the plugin and now go to your plugin settings and type Redux, and this is also another plugin for working our app. Just type Redux and install the Redux framework as you are seeing on the video. Just install and activate the plugin. Okay friends, once you have activated these plugins, you can see that on the left hand side there is a mobile option where we are customizing all our app settings there. Now go to the WooCommerce and click on settings and click on advanced and click on the advanced settings and select the legacy API. Click on that and enable the legacy REST API and click on save changes and go to the REST API option and you can add the REST API key over here. Just create an API key and type the description. You can add any description, just type the foodie's name, just give the permission read and write. Now you will get a consumer key and consumer. Now open Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor. Now open your source code, which is the app folder. Select like this and select the folder, and now your app is opened on the VS Code and select that app folder and you can edit some details on here. Select on SRC or app and select this config.ts file, and here you can add your URL, consumer key and consumer secret. Now we are generated on the WooCommerce. Just copy the consumer key and paste it on there and copy the consumer secret. Just copy the consumer secret and copy the URL, which is your website address. You can copy that also and just paste it over the URL placeholder section. Okay, once you finish that, just click on save and now we can just edit the config.xml. Here you can edit your package name and version name, your app version, all settings you can change here. Don't change the XML version, only change the version as you're seeing on the video. Just change the package name and app name. You can change the app name. Now this WooCommerce or something, you can change everything according to your choice. And all details of this editing and code, the link I will give the description, you can check there and you can copy the code also from there also. Now you can change the other email address, app name, WooCommerce, description, all these things you can change. You can change the version number of the app. Don't change any other things, just click on save. Okay, now you are open your command in Windows from as administrator, and now you can use your command, type npm versions. Now we can check all these things. If these things works perfect, your app will work on this computer or on this command. Check all these things works like this. You can check your npm version, your node version, your ionic version and your gradle version. If these four things works, our app will work without any error. So you can check this. Okay, once you finished all checking all these things, you can type, you can open your the app source code in command. In order to do this, just type cd You can open the app and you can select the app path like this. Just copy the app path and type cd and just simply right click, and now your app is opened on the command prompt. And now you can type a command Ionic Cordova platform and Android and just paste it over there and just enter. And now the platform is automatically adding to our source code, and wait for some time to get adding, and wait for some time. It will take some time, and all the codes and everything I will give the link in the description. You can copy the code from there and you can use for this app, and wait for some time. Okay, now our app is built Android. Now we can check Ionic Serve. Now type this code, and this is for checking our app. This code is for checking the app. Type this command Ionic Serve, and it will automatically open your browser, and you can see your app on your computer browser. It is on Google Chrome. You can see this app there. See, our app is opening on our website on our Google Chrome, and now you can see our app is working without any error. So now we can convert this app into an APK file. Okay, everything works fine. You can check all the sections and categories and all the options, and all things are working fine. Now we can just click on Ctrl C, and to stop these processes just type Ctrl C. Okay, click on yes. Just click on Y. Okay, now we are exited from that processes, and now type Ionic Cordova build Android. Just paste that code. Don't do any dollar sign or something, just copy that. Now we are building our Android APK, and wait for some time to get, and we can check how it works. Okay, our app works fine. Till now it's okay, and wait for some time. Okay, some error, we have got some error, and we have got the build failed error. If you get this error, go to your code editor and change this thing, this config.ts, and or config.ts. You can choose that. Sorry, config.xml. Just open that file, and you can Android Mini SDK version. You can change that version to 22. And the error we got because of this Android Mini SDK version, just change this to 22 and click on save, and now go to the command prompt again and run the command again, Ionic Cordova build Android. You can just click on that and wait for some time to build the APK. and you can get all these command lines and codes and everything. The link I will give the below in the description box. Okay, wait for some time to get building the APK file. Now we can check there is any error or coming or not. And now our app is building, and wait for some time. And now our build is successful, and you can see our debug APK is created, and you can copy the file from this path. Ionic app platforms, Android app. You can get your app from this path. You can go this path. Just open your source code, platforms, Android app, and build outputs and APK debug. This is your APK, and this can be installed on your mobile, and you can check everything. Now we can change icon and splash screen of the app. Just go to the app and click on resources and copy your new icon and splash screen. The size and all other details I will give the link in the description box. You can check from there. Now once you pasted the icon and splash screen on this folder, now go to the command, and we can add a command over there. So go to the command box and Ionic Cordova resources. Just open your app and just type Ionic Cordova resources and wait for some time to get this. Just wait for some time. Now it's recreating our logo and other things. Now we can change the logo and other images. Just go to SRC and click on assets and click on images. Here you can change your logo and all other images here. Okay, once you finish that, we can recreate the Android app. Just type Ionic Cordova build Android. Just type the command again, Ionic Cordova build Android. Okay, now it's creating a new APK for after changing the splash screen and logo images. And in this tutorial we are checking only up to debug APK. On the next video we will check how to be a signed APK and how it will be added to the Play Store. On the next video we will discuss about that. Okay, now our APK is created successfully. Now we can install it on our mobile phone and we can check it out. Okay, just install on your mobile, and you can see your app name on the top, WooCommerce. You can change to your name. Actually this is a tutorial video, that's why I'm not changing these things. Okay, once you finish that, you can see like this. Just click on don't send because this is a debug APK, that's why the phone security system is showing something like this. Now you can open your app and you can see a splash screen and all other details like this. Now these things you can change from your WordPress dashboard itself. Now you can go to your WordPress dashboard and you can set up the plugin. Go to the plugin and we can change all other things like this. Now go to your WordPress plugin and click on this mobile options. Click on that. Now here you can change the banner blocks. You can enable this. All these things are very easy and you can change according to your choice. You can add banner images. You can add product images and all other things you can be added here. If you set width 100, it will be shown full size image. 50, it will show two images like that. And you can add margin, shadows, color. You can add title, etc. You can add additional slides. You can add new slides. These things are very easy and you can do by yourself. Once you finished anything, click on save changes. This app can be used for any type of e-commerce product, not only food delivery. You can add enable the second banner blocks. Select the style slider. Once you change anything, you can be live check on your mobile phone. So the changes take place, you can be seen there. You can live check on your mobile phone once you change any images or something like this. You can change the third banner blocks. You can add up to 10 banner blocks. All these things are very easy, and I'm not saying more about this because it's the all you can change according to your choice. You can change the product images, category images. You can add banner images. You can add some beautiful images, and it should all images should be in same size. That's the main thing. Otherwise, some images will be small, some will be big, and it will be some bad for viewing. You can create all the images in same size. You can resize all the images that you are adding. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now you can enable the category blocks. You can enable that. Click on save changes. Okay, you can enable the product blocks. You can enable that. You can add the product tag ID and click on save changes. Now go to flash sale block. It can be also enabled or disabled according to your choice. You can add anything over there. You can edit the flash sale date and you can change everything. Once you can set the width and click on save changes. Now go to the settings option and you can enable and disable all the settings according to your choice. Now we can enable the push notification for the app. All other settings are very easy and you can do by yourself. Now we can set up push notification. In order to do this, first go to the onesignal.com and create an account, or if you have an account you can enter into your accounts onesignal.com. I have already an account on OneSignal. You can create an account if you don't have. Now click on new app, click on that and type an app name for your app or website. I'm just typing foodies and select the platform we are doing it for now. Google Android, select that. Now click on next. Okay, once you finish that, there is a pop-up come. Here is Firebase server key and Firebase enter ID. In order to get this, go to console.firebasegoogle.com and enter a project name. You can add any name for the project and click on continue and click on continue and select an account for the Google Analytics is your default and click on project. Okay, once you have created your project is ready, click on continue and you can see an option window like this. From there select Android and add your package name. In order to get this, go to your code editor and copy your project name, sorry, your package name, just copy that. Okay, once you copy the package name, you can paste it on the Firebase section, on the register app section, and click on register app and click on next, and click on continue to the console. Here you go to the project settings as you can see the video and click on the cloud messaging option, select that, and here you can see the server key and the sender ID. Now copy your sender ID to the app settings and paste it on the Firebase sender ID section, and now copy the server key and paste it over the Firebase server key section. Once you finish that, click on next and here you select PhoneGap Cordova Ionic, select on that and click on next and click on save. Now you can see your app ID, which is one signal app ID. Just copy that, click on copy and go to your mobile options and click on paste it on there, and you can paste the Firebase sender ID. Just copy that and paste it on there, and one signal REST API key. Go to the one signal, just click on save, leave the setup, and here you can just get the keys and IDs, settings and keys and IDs. Select that and here you will get your REST API key. Just copy that, just copy your REST API key and paste it on the section, one signal REST API key section. Just paste it there and click on save changes. And here you can enable all the push notifications and click on save changes. Okay, once you finish that, our app is ready and you can use your app in a debug mode. On the next video we will discuss about the signed APK and we can check how we can upload it to the Google Play Store. And stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching the video.